In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Jira. If you're looking for a straightforward and efficient way to visualize your project's progress, Jira dashboards are an excellent tool to consider. They're especially helpful for teams needing quick access to project metrics and status updates without having to delve deep into the nitty-gritty details each time. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Atlassian website. Just open your web browser and navigate to the Atlassian homepage, which is your gateway to all their collaborative software options for software development, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button, typically located towards the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to ensure you're logged in with the correct credentials here, as this step grants you access to the Jira services we'll be utilizing. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to Jira Home. This is your starting point within Jira, designed to offer you a comprehensive overview of the projects and tools at your disposal. From Jira Home, you'll be just a step away from the dashboard creation process. Next, you'll find an option labeled More. This button is your pathway to additional features that aren't directly visible on the home layout. Click on More and prepare to embark on the actual dashboard construction journey. After clicking More, you'll see an option for Dashboard. Dashboards in Jira are essentially customizable spaces where you can compile gadgets to monitor your project's progress, issues, and various other metrics that might be pertinent to your team's needs. Click on Dashboard to proceed. This step will bring you to the dashboard interface, opening up a world of organizational possibilities. Next, you'll want to create a new dashboard. On the dashboard page, you should see an option to Create Dashboard. Clicking on this is a decisive step in bringing your custom dashboard to life. Here, you have the opportunity to tailor a dashboard that aligns perfectly with your team's objectives and work style. You'll be able to add gadgets, rearrange them, and configure them according to the data you need at your fingertips. Remember to think through the specific metrics and information that are most critical for you and your team when setting up your dashboard. This can be things like current project issues, recent activity streams, or overall status reports. A well-configured dashboard can vastly improve your ability to monitor project progress and communicate effectively with your team. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a dashboard in Jira. This efficient and personalized visual guide will undoubtedly aid in keeping your projects organized and your team informed. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!